Hey guys, thanks for joining me. Welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to be creating two beautiful ideas. You could use this for Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day, or you can just use it as a pop of color in your home now that we've taken all of our Christmas decoration down. So my pop of color today is going to be a pink color, but sort of like a raspberry color. So I'm going to create the color today, of course, using some food coloring. So the food coloring I picked up from Amazon, but I'll show you that later in the video. And I'm going to be using all these things that you see in front of me. I'm going to be using these beautiful brooches, which I colored in a few years ago, like I think 2 or 3 years ago. They used to be clear, and I just used a permanent pink marker and just filled in the clear gems. So I'm going to be using those today. And they still look good, guys. From, I think they're like a couple of years old with the color on it, and they still look good. So I'm going to be using a 7-inch vase and a 9-inch vase. These are from the Dollar Tree. And I'm also going to be using the Dollar Tree Tapered candle holder as well. I'm going to be using food coloring on that today. So I'm going to get started. So I'm going to start with the mini round bowls. You get a set of 6 from the Dollar Tree. I still have about 4 left. And I'm going to use that today to hold the glue and food coloring mixture. So I'm going to use my clear gel tacky glue, and I'm going to use maybe about 2 teaspoons of clear glue here because I'm going to be tinting 3 items. So I'm going to use about 2 teaspoons. I'm going to use 2 capfuls of water, and I'm going to blend it very well. So the 2 capfuls of water is going to increase the volume of our liquid. So this should be enough to tint all 3 items. So I'm going to blend it very well and make sure it's nice and smooth. So I'm going to take this pink food coloring and I'm going to use 2 drops, and I'm going to blend it very well. So before I get started, I'm going to clean the inside of the vase with some alcohol. Cleaning the inside of the vase will just remove anything that will prevent the food coloring and glue mixture from sticking. I'm going to use a damp brush, and I'm going to just soak the brush into the mixture, and I'm going to start at the bottom of the vase. I'm just going to paint the bottom of the vase in. I'm going to start the color right from there, and I'm going to work the food coloring straight up to the top. I'm not pressing very hard. I'm just sort of lightly dragging the color up to the top edge of the vase. And then I'm going to turn this upside down and let the food coloring and glue mixture drain down to the paper. So I'm going to paint the inside spaces of the candlestick holder, and then I'm going to paint the outside as well. So it's been about 20 minutes and the color is taking very nicely. So what I'm going to do here is just take my paintbrush and just brush out any color that might be collecting at the top edge of the vase. So it's been about 3 hours and the candlestick holder is already dry. It's already dry, but the inside of the vases are still slightly damp. So what I'm going to do is take the opportunity and adhere the candlestick holder to the shorter vase. So while that's drying, I'm going to show you what the diamond wrap looks like that I'm going to be using. This is a self-adhesive diamond type wrap. And so what I'm going to do is fold over enough of the diamond wrap to use. I'm going to use a 3-row strip. So I'm folding this over and creasing it at the 3-row area. And I'm going to cut enough to decorate both vases. Okay guys, so it's the next day and look how beautiful this looks. I absolutely love the way this looks without any decoration on it. And I'm going to show you that it's completely dry. As you can see, I'm using a clear paper towel and I'm really rubbing it just to show you that the color is set. It will not come off unless you add water or unless you add anything liquid. So this is nice and dry and the color is absolutely beautiful. It looks perfect, guys. This is perfectly tinted. There are no streaks. The color is absolutely beautiful. I love this. But I am going to decorate this. So I'm going to start with the velvet ribbon that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to cut out enough to use on both vases. So to adhere the ribbon to the vase, I'm going to use a little bit of my clear gel tacky glue. And I'm just going to spread that all over the back part of the ribbon, and then I'm going to add it to the vase. This is completely dry. Now I'm going to begin decorating. I love the way the candlestick holder came out. That candlestick holder is beautiful by itself, and honestly, I think it actually makes the vase look prettier. Alright guys, so this came out absolutely beautiful. I love the way this looks with the decoration, and I love the way it looked without anything attached to it. So guys, thank you so much for joining me today. You let me know what you think in the comment section below. Again, I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I do appreciate it. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. You all stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.